The next lead generation type of a funnel that we'll be looking into is the opt-in funnel. That's a funnel that again is very similar to the lead generation home type of a funnel, where again the goal for this funnel is to generate the lead. But the difference is that you have the form on the same landing page. Basically, the forms that they have to submit is in their face. So it's kind of different type of a flow, and you can test out if this works best or if you have a call to action and then go to the opt-in page. But yeah, this is the opt-in type of a funnel. And yeah, the flow itself, we basically skip the landing page where you have the call to action to go to collect the information. You collect the information directly from the first page. And the flow is basically the same: capture the attention and collect the info on the same page. Then you have the thank you page. And after that is again how you turn your lead into a customer. And what are the important parts of this type of a funnel? Again, having a very compelling headline, straight to the point, opt-in form that will collect the information that is necessary. In this type of a funnel, my suggestion is to use a very limited amount of fields that you want to ask your customer to make it as simple as possible. Do not more than 3-4, because it will get to a very, very big and clunky type of a form that a lot of people will get scared to fill in. So something like basic information that you want to collect. And after that, you can follow up with different questions, call, meeting of some sort to continue your sales pitch. You can have some kind of a countdown, maybe for some kind of a promotion or whatever kind of service that you're doing for your business. So you can have this kind of scarcity on that page. The next section would be again about the services, the benefits, and you can add, in this case we have a few explaining the quality of the product, the benefits of it, so you can use something like that. Or you can of course again add different types of sessions, videos, etc. that will increase the interest of the visitors in order for them to submit the form. Then we follow up with testimonials, again about happy customers using your service or product, so that other people, when they visit, to see that okay, actually have people who are using the service and they're happy with it. And then again we finish with the form where people can easily submit their information. Just a few fields, in this case we have 3, with a button at the bottom. So this is it. This is the opt-in, and let's create our first opt-in funnel. Alright, so we are now inside the builder, and this is the last funnel that we created. Like I said, by the end of this course, you'll have all the different types of funnels created in our project. So let's create our first opt-in type of a funnel. When we click on the create a funnel, then select the opt-in category. So there you have the different opt-in type of designs. It's a combination of lead generation and opt-ins. So you have great different variety of designs that you can select from type of a coupon one, which will be actually part of the different video. But let's look into some of these, for example. And for the sake of the example, let's select the one that we already had in our slides. So we can name it to lead, let's say opt-in funnel, and click on save. So we created our opt-in type of a funnel that helps us collect information from the users directly from the landing page. And again, you can fully modify whatever you want it to say. Again, the headline is very, very important, and you can make it more prominent, more bolded, and make it bigger to capture the visitor's attention. You can add some supporting sub-headline as well. The countdown you can set up if you're running some kind of deal or limited type of scarcity element. You can do it here. These are some of the benefits that you can edit. Of course, you can add your own type of services, benefits. For example, if you want to list some kind of services and cool things that they'll get, maybe this kind of design or maybe something like this is very suitable for this type of a page as well. So you can play around and create different designs. So here we have, you can modify the text, we can modify the image as well, changing to something else. If you don't like it, of course you can delete this section. So this way you can modify fully your page, and by double clicking you can modify everything. So this is it. The important part, of course, of this page is what kind of information you want to collect. So you can click on edit fields and you can add, first of all, this is used with placeholders. So you can go inside and you can modify this wording here, so you can add something and it will update here as well. So you can add whatever fields you want to collect the information that you want to collect from the users on this page. This is it. And as we've seen in the previous video, it's really easy to create your tags from the engage section. So whoever submits the forms, they'll get inside the CRM. And as you can see, this new funnel, it's on its own. It doesn't have any of the contacts that we had in the previous funnel, because they're all separate. And as you can see, they're separate entities to which you can connect a custom domain. So this can be a funnel with a custom domain for one project or one customer, the other funnels for different projects or different customers. And what is the important part after that is, of course, the thank you page, where you'll be led after you submit the information. So in this case, we have a thank you and a possibility of maybe somebody calling the phone. Of course, again, as in the previous funnel, it is because you already have the customer on your pages, you can have them to do a specific action. Call you right away, to submit some more information, to watch a video if you want them to see something, to because you have that opportunity. So take advantage of it if you want, and you can in some way to do something, to ask them to do something that you want them to do or see or whatever. And at this type of a funnel, we also have this kind of a header. Again, this is a block. And in the previous video, we also shown how you can add your own headers as well of different sort, like this, for example, which again, you can replace this one if you want. And it can have navigation. It can have some kind of a way to call you or email you, or whatever call to action you want to have. And this is it. This is how you create your opt-in page. Again, my recommendation, always split test and duplicate your pages and play around with different layouts. Maybe you want to change the headline, maybe you want to add some kind of a different section to see what might be converting more people to submit your form. Alright, I hope that you'll enjoy this video, and in the next one we'll be looking into the lead generation, the lead generation type of funnel, which is lead magnet. Basically, you have an extra step where people can actually get something in return for submitting their information, such as something downloadable or access to videos, etc. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video, and if you have any questions, as always, don't hesitate and let us know.